Welcome back, loves. If you're interested in this look on how I turned this synthetic wig to make it look like human hair, then stay tuned. So I'm bringing to you Miss Trissa again. And you know this is a center part wig with lacing all around the edges, 2 combs in the front and 1 comb in the back, and 2 adjustable straps. But look at the lacing here. As you can see, you still can see the knots. So I'm going to go ahead, place my wig on my mannequin head, and I am going to pluck away at that parting and a little bit around the edges as well. As you can see, I shifted the wig to the left side because my client is a left party just like I am. And I'm just going to go ahead and freehand pluck with my hands instead of a tweezer, just because I don't want to rip the lacing. But please take your time when you're doing this. As you can see, the parting is looking amazing. So I'm just going over it with my wand curl, and I'm just going to get ready right here and start doing and customizing the edges with a little bit of baby hair. So I personally like to use hair gunk because it doesn't make the edges or the baby hairs flake up or look too stiff. It looks very, very natural. So I'm going to go ahead and apply the color of my client's skin complexion. I've done her makeup plenty of times, so I know the color of her skin. And I'm going to go ahead and apply it around the edges and also right here along the parting. This is a dry powder, and it just makes the hair, to me, just, you know, looks very, very natural. And what I do after, I go ahead and spray my holding spray on top of everywhere that I put my powder. Lost my train of thought. And it just pretty much sets the makeup so it doesn't really go anywhere. So I'm going to go ahead and cut some layers to frame my client's face and just to give it some, you know, some flair to it. So I love a bump. I love, love, love a bump in the side part. And I hate wigs that just lays on top of your forehead. So I'm going to go ahead and bump the front just to give it some definition. I'm using my wand curl. And as I'm using my wand curl, I'm actually holding the hair and, you know, pretty much making sure it stays in place. And I'm going to go ahead and spray my holding spray. And don't she look amazing? Baby, yes, she's coming all the way through. Well, I hope you all enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to your girl's channel.